Being a Muslim in this country and obviously an AFL footballer, it's really exciting, to be quite honest. A lot of the youth these days follow a certain sport, and me playing AFL football, we attract a lot of the youth. People are watching me all the time. It's like a 24/7 a week job, and I love that, because what it does is it keeps me steadfast on deen and knowing that people look at me. Obviously, the Creator is above all, who is watching me and overseeing me. But what it does, it gives you a bit of support, knowing that people, particularly the youth, are watching every single footstep you take. What I focus on a lot of the time is doing the right thing as much as possible. Obviously, we're human beings, we make mistakes, but we try to eliminate it. So, certain things that I do my best is attend the masjid regularly. It's something that I promised myself the time I got my license is to attend as much as I can the Fajr and the Isha prayer. And we all know the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, whoever prays in Jama'ah at the mosque, Isha and Fajr, it is as if you've prayed the whole night. So it's stuck in my mind, and something that I convey a lot to the youth. When your heart is attached to the mosque, being a good environment, you've got less room for error. So that's something I'm really passionate about. And when I'm conveying the message and being that right example, I always raise that point, not to brag and boast, but more so as a motivation for the youth, and in a way that they can do things that they love. Me being a professional footballer, I can feel comfortable in playing AFL football, at the same time be proud of my identity, and that is Australian Muslim. So alhamdulillah, I'm doing my best to convey the correct message, at the same time continue to pursue the passion that I have, and that is playing professional football.